Hi everyone, this is Paulo from Pratica. Today I will introduce you the Chef Express and the basic operation on it. To start the unit, we're going to use the power button right here. We're going to click on it and the cooling fans will automatically start working. So we have to press start, so then the unit will start preheating. But my unit here is already preheated, so it goes directly to the main menu of the unit, where I have access to the groups of recipes and the recipes inside of it. For running recipes on a unit, we have to select first of all the group of recipes that we want. So for example, on this first screen we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here we have more 4. We have to enter the option to select the recipe we want to execute. So for example, if I want to execute recipes on group 5, I'll click here on 5, and I have all of the recipes here. All right? By finding the recipe I want to execute, I just have to click on the number that corresponds to the recipe, and it will automatically run. So for example, number 4, the recipe is now running. If I want to finish the recipe before it ends, I just have to click on this arrow back. If I want to create a new group of recipes, or if I want to create recipes, I have to follow basically the same procedure. So in this case, I want to create a group of recipes. So I have here a number 8 empty. So I want to use this one. I'm going to confirm here using the confirmation. And then I will select 8. I have to enter the password, which is a standard 1, 2, 3, and then confirm once again. So I've got two options for creating or editing the group. So I'm going to click on the number that corresponds, which is 2, and then I will select the name for this. So by using the keypad, I can select the number desired. If I click more than one time here, it becomes in letters, B, C, and then I can write the name that I want to use. As soon as I do it, I can confirm and then go back. My group 1, 2, 3, C, it's already created. So if I want to create a recipe inside of this group now, I have first of all to select the group, and then inside of it, where I have the recipes, I will select the number that corresponds to the recipe I want to create. So for example, here I'm going to use 1. In 1, I will confirm here once again. As soon as the screen becomes white, I'm going to select the number that I want, which is 1 here. I'll enter the password 1, 2, 3 and confirm. And then I got the option of deleting this recipe or editing this one. So I'm going to create or edit. Okay, I will erase the name here. And again, I'm going to use the keypad to select the name that I want. I will confirm, and it takes me to the steps. So every recipe can have up to 6 steps of 5 minutes each. So for editing a step, I'm going to click on the number that corresponds to this step. And then I've got here the option of time, temperature, microwaves, and impinged air. All right? So by confirming here on time, I will click in here to confirm. And then I can use arrows up and down, or I can use numbers to decide the time I'm going to use for this one. Use arrow down to go to the second option, confirm once again, and then I can use the temperature from 86 degrees Fahrenheit up to 536 degrees Fahrenheit. So after confirming, I'll select here, and then I can go to the third option, which is the microwaves that I want to use, from 10% up to 100%. So I'll confirm here. And then I can use here the ventilation or impinged air system. From 10% up to 100%. Okay? As soon as I finish, I can click here on the arrow to go back, and the first step is done. If I want to create a second, I have to follow the same procedure. By clicking with the arrow back, my recipe is ready to be used. So I can find the group here by clicking in 8, and the recipe is inside here, created and ready to be used. If you have any questions, stay free to contact us at any time. We're going to be more than glad to help you.